Chettinad Cement, 63 years of excellence. Your perfect concrete choice.
மேற்கு வங்க மாநிலம் கொல்கத்தாவில் சால்ட் லேக் ஸ்டேடியத்தில் கால்பந்து ஜாம்பவான் லியோனல் மெஸ்ஸி வருகை புரிந்திருக்கிறார். அதனை காணலாம்.
The great Uruguayan won 43 international games for his country. He scored 69 goals. And Rodrigo Javier De Paul for Argentina. He scored just 2 goals because he's a defensive midfielder and played 83 games. And he's being introduced, all the players being introduced to the Indian legends. And again, this is a wonderful moment, a fan moment, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you come up against the GOAT and you see him in the flesh, they get a few autographs in as well. This is fantastic to see from the great man. A few autographs on the jerseys which will be cherished forever and ever.
But we now have a pre-Christmas festival, and that is called the GOAT Tour. Lionel Messi arriving in the city of joy.
And just to see the close-ups of the fans, many of them in tears, such an emotional moment, so attached are the Indian faithful, the Kolkata faithful to the great man and to the game of football itself. You saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrating like they've scored a goal.
लियो मेसी के संग में रोड्रिगो डी पॉल और लुइस सुआरेज भी है और ये पश्चिम बंगाल की जो क्रीड़ा मंत्री जो हैं आरोप विश्वास वो भी घूम रहे हैं और ये सारे खिलाड़ियों से भी वो परिचित हो रहे हैं. हैंडशेक कस्टमरी ये जो क्षण जो है ये एक खिलाड़ी के लाइफ में किसी के भी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा आता है.
In fact, a lot of players went to get it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime moment. It's like a dream that you see in the wildest of your dreams. It has come true today. And that's why, Liam, you just said, getting an autograph and celebrating it, believe me, that's more to him than possibly winning a World Cup.
We spoke about it, Rohit, yesterday as well. Just being in the same periphery as the great man, as these 3 great players, it is overwhelming for us as well.
Now the next event would be Rodrigo Javier De Paul and Luis Suarez with Leo Messi. They would play tiki-taka with the school boys, and that would also be absolute a shot in the arm for the young kids.
Oh, what a grand spectacle that will be. And Messi and Suarez, part of the famous Barcelona side, winning 4 La Ligas together, winning the Champions League as well, part of the famous MSN. And now, some of the youngsters will get to grace the field with these special superstars.
A moment that comes with so many emotions, I think, which you will not find in the English lexicon. You have to feel it. Feel it with your heart, with your soul, with your own physical presence.
और देखिए इनकी जो प्रभाव ये विश्वमय है. आप दुनिया के कोई भी देश में जाइए, वहाँ पे जो अहम खिलाड़ी होते हैं, जो बहुत स्किलफुल होते हैं, उनको मेसी कहा जाता है. सोचिए जैसे जापान में बोलते हैं टाकेफुसा कुबो, इसको जापानीज मेसी. और चाइना में काफ़ी खिलाड़ियों को बोलते हैं, लेकिन वो ले he's got great skill. The Turkish Messi is of course Arda Güler, the wonder boy right now with the Real Madrid. German Messi is of course the 17-year-old Lennart Kerl, and he is doing wonders with the Bayern Munich. And if you talk about African Messi, you can name a couple of them. Mo Salah for the Egypt, and again JJ Okocha for Nigeria.
And that's where we say dreams are crafted and drafted, because whoever gets a football at their feet, and they get onto the pitch, they want to be like the great man.
Rohit, who's the Indian Messi?
I think there's one name that come undoubtedly to us, Sunil Chhetri, the man who's transcended every single.
2011ஆம் ஆண்டு வெனிசுலாவிற்கும் அர்ஜென்டினாவுக்கும் நடந்த கால்பந்து போட்டியில் லியோனல் மெஸ்ஸி விளையாடினார். அதில் அர்ஜென்டினா தான் வெற்றி பெற்றது என்பது குறிப்பிடத்தக்கது. 2011க்கு பிறகு தற்போது அவர் அந்த மைதானத்தில் நின்று கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய காட்சிகளை பார்த்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறோம்.
Sometimes it can be overwhelming, of course, but he is enjoying every bit of this occasion here at the Salt Lake.
Talking about a bit of a skill, you could also bring in Baichung Bhutia with I am Vijayan. And that was a wonderful combination for the national side as well. And here the crowd enjoying every moment of it because the greatest is here. The dream is here. Leo Messi in Kolkata again after 14 long years.
Every time the crowds just get louder and louder. Jerseys signed, shirts signed, boots, footballs, you better keep them safe because these are things to cherish. We saw the amount of white and blue when we entered the stadium. At 6 o'clock in the morning there were fans lining up all for this great man. There we see the Argentina flag as well, lots of the Indian flags as well. You can feel it in our voices, you can hear it at the Salt Lake Stadium. He is the GOAT, and that is why it's a fitting start to the GOAT tour that it happens here in the Mecca of Indian football.
Absolutely, and I think it might not be showing on his face, but I think in the winter sun of Kolkata, what's going on inside his heart.
14 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு பின் கொல்கத்தாவில் கோட் மெஸ்ஸி, அதாவது லியோனல் மெஸ்ஸி 3 நாள் சுற்றுப்பயணமாக இந்தியா வருகை புரிந்திருக்கிறார்.
Chettinad Cement, 63 years of excellence. Your perfect concrete choice.